Hey, it's a great day at Dale Lease Service. We're out here at Zebco near the Port of Tulsa. We just lifted a 20-ton package unit on the roof with a Blackhawk helicopter. We were on the ground rigging the unit. It'll move you around, it will. There's a lot of wind, it was very exciting, fast pace. We did have some extra staff on board today. It's a newer experience, it's not as common as the crane lifts, and we went through a safety briefing with the helicopter crew. We had a ground crew, we had a roof crew, and it went fast, much quicker than the crane. If you have commercial air conditioning needs, give us a call or contact us at dls918.com, telephone number 918-272-1600.